Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix BlueStacks error 2004, something went wrong. Now this is how we are going to do it. Just go ahead and follow these steps. First things first, we're going to go ahead and click this one here, and then you should see BlueStacks here. Just go ahead and right click that one, click more, and we're going to go ahead and open the file location of our BlueStacks. Now depending on the version of your BlueStacks, this is what you're going to do. Right click this one, open file location, and then you have to make sure that you have selected the right one. So again, this is the one for me. I'm going to go ahead and right click this one, click properties, and then compatibility. Now for the compatibility mode, we're going to run this program as an administration. We're also going to run this program in compatibility mode and choosing Windows 8 as an option. Now click apply, click OK, and you're good to go. Now, if that doesn't work, then what we are going to do is open CMD, and here we're going to run this as an administrator. Click yes, and here in our CMD program, what we are going to do is type here SFC. There you go. So that is System File Checker, and then we're going to go ahead and type scan now. So just go ahead and click enter, and basically it is going to go ahead and search for your files. So yep, that is what is happening. As you can see, I've already done this earlier, so I don't need to do that. Now after running the file checker, go ahead and restart your PC. Now another thing that we are going to do still involves CMD, so we're going to go ahead and write back. We're going to open this one as an administrator. And here I want you to go ahead and paste this one. So just copy this one and paste it here. Click enter. Alright, there you go. It says operation completed successfully. Now here you will have to restart your computer, so just go ahead and type Y here, or you can also manually restart your PC. After doing so, your BlueStacks should be okay. Now, one last thing that we are going to do is update our PC. So just go ahead and type here check for updates, just like so. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click check for updates to see if there is any updates necessary for us. Alright, so it seems like I have an update, so I'm just going to go ahead and install this one. So yep, once I'm done with that, the last thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is to try to check my storage. So as you can see, I have enough storage right now, and this is where my BlueStacks is currently installed. So that means I am safe. So yep, those are the things that you can do in order to fix BlueStacks error 2004.